Hello and welcome to my first studio podcast on Agile adoption in banking. My name is Abong Joe, and I'm here to share with you some insights and best practices on how banks can adopt Agile ways of working to become more customer-centric, innovative, and efficient in the digital era. Agile is a way of working that focuses on delivering value to customers in small increments, rather than following a rigid plan that may not meet their needs. Agile teams collaborate frequently, adapt to changing requirements, and inspect and improve their processes continuously. Agile has been widely adopted by many industries, including banking, as a response to the increasing competition, innovation, and customer expectations in the digital era. Agile can help banks become more customer-centric, innovative, and efficient by enabling faster and better delivery of value, increased customer feedback, and improved quality. In this episode, we will cover the following topics: the benefits of Agile in banking, the challenges of Agile in banking, the examples of Agile in banking, the best practices for Agile in banking. Let's start with the benefits of Agile in banking. Some of the benefits of Agile in banking are: increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Agile can help banks deliver products and services that meet or exceed customer needs and expectations by involving customers in the development process and collecting feedback regularly. Agile can also help banks create a more personalized and engaging customer experience by offering more choices, convenience, and transparency. Enhanced innovation and differentiation. Agile can help banks foster a culture of innovation and experimentation by encouraging teams to try new ideas, learn from failures, and iterate quickly. Agile can also help banks differentiate themselves from competitors by delivering unique and valuable solutions that solve customer problems or create new opportunities. Improved operational efficiency and quality. Agile can help banks optimize their processes and resources by eliminating waste and delay, such as unnecessary work, handoffs, waiting time, rework, or defects. Agile can also help banks improve their quality and reliability by implementing best practices such as testing, automation, and DevOps. These are some of the benefits of Agile in banking that can help banks achieve their business goals and delight their customers. However, Agile in banking also has many challenges that need to be addressed. Some of the challenges of Agile in banking are: one of the challenges in Agile adoption in banking is the lack of a common vision and strategy. Agile is not just a set of tools or practices, but a mindset and culture that requires alignment and commitment across all levels of the organization. Without a clear vision and strategy for Agile adoption, banks may encounter resistance, confusion, or inconsistency in their Agile transformation efforts. Another challenge is the presence of legacy technology systems. Banks often have complex and outdated technology portfolios and infrastructures that are difficult to integrate, modify, or scale. These systems can pose technical challenges or constraints for Agile teams, such as slow delivery cycles, poor quality, or high maintenance costs. To enable Agile ways of working, banks need to invest in modernizing their technology platforms and infrastructure. Compliance and regulatory requirements are also a concern in Agile adoption. Banks operate in a highly regulated environment and need to comply with various rules and standards. These requirements may limit the flexibility and autonomy of Agile teams or introduce additional overhead or documentation for Agile processes. Banks must find a balance between compliance and risk management and the need for agility and innovation. Knowledge gaps between departments can hinder Agile adoption in banks. Banks often have functional silos with different goals, processes, and cultures. These silos can create knowledge gaps between departments, such as business, IT, operations, or risk. To foster cross-functional collaboration and communication, banks need to break down these silos and promote a culture of collaboration and learning throughout the organization. These challenges can be overcome with strong leadership, clear communication, cross-functional collaboration, continuous feedback, and constant improvement. Despite these challenges, there are successful examples of Agile adoption in banking. ING Bank, a Dutch banking group, has adopted Agile at scale. It has reorganized its entire organization into agile tribes, squads, and chapters, taking inspiration from Spotify's model. ING Bank has also invested in digital platforms, data analytics, and DevOps capabilities to enhance the speed and quality of value delivery to customers. DBS Bank, a leading bank in Asia, has embraced Agile as part of its digital transformation. DBS Bank has trained over 10,000 employees in Agile methods and has conducted more than 1,000 experiments and prototypes to test new ideas and solutions. It has fostered a culture of innovation and learning, encouraging employees to experiment, fail fast, and learn from feedback. Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA, has leveraged Agile to improve customer experience and operational efficiency. CBA has implemented Agile ways of working across its retail banking division, forming cross-functional teams that collaborate on delivering customer outcomes. Agile tools and techniques, such as user stories, sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives, are used to plan and execute work at CBA. These are some of the examples of Agile and banking that can inspire and motivate you to start or accelerate your own Agile journey. To help you with your Agile journey, we have also compiled some of the best practices for Agile and banking that you can follow and apply in your own context and situation. Some of the best practices for Agile and banking are: start by defining a vision and creating a roadmap. A vision is a clear and compelling statement of what you want to achieve with your product or service. A roadmap is a high-level plan that outlines the strategic direction and major milestones or themes you aim to deliver. It should focus on the value proposition and desired outcomes rather than specific features or dates. A roadmap helps communicate your vision to stakeholders and align your team towards a common goal. Tools like Product Plan or AHA can be used to create and share your roadmap. Break down your work into smaller tasks. Agile principles emphasize delivering working software frequently, typically within a few weeks to a few months. To achieve this, break your work into smaller, manageable pieces that can be completed in a short time frame. These pieces, known as user stories, are simple descriptions of what a user wants to do and why. User stories follow the format as a user role: I want to do something so that benefit. For example, as a customer, I want to pay with my credit card so that I can complete my purchase quickly and securely. User stories help prioritize user needs and value rather than technical details or specifications. Prioritize your work based on value and urgency. Not all user stories are equally important or urgent. Prioritize your work by considering the value and urgency of each user story, as well as dependencies and risks involved. Techniques like Moscow or RICE can be used to rank user stories and determine the order of implementation. Tools like Jira or Trello can help manage your backlog of user stories and track their progress. Organize your work into sprints and conduct daily stand-ups. A sprint is a fixed time period, usually between 1 and 4 weeks, during which you commit to completing a set of user stories from your backlog. Sprints allow you to focus on delivering value quickly and frequently, while also adapting to changing requirements or feedback. Daily stand-up meetings, lasting around 15 minutes, involve each team member answering 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? What am I doing today? What challenges or blockers am I facing? Daily stand-ups facilitate coordination, issue identification, and prompt resolution. Review your work and gather feedback from customers. At the end of each sprint, conduct a sprint review or demo to showcase the working software to stakeholders and customers. Gather feedback from users during this session. The sprint review validates assumptions, measures outcomes, and captures lessons from mistakes. Additionally, conduct usability tests or user interviews with real customers to gain further insights into their needs, preferences, and pain points. Reflect on your process and continuously improve it. Conduct a sprint retrospective at the end of each sprint. This meeting allows the team to reflect on their collaboration, identify successes and areas for improvement, and generate action items. A sprint retrospective enables inspection and adaptation of processes, culture, and practices to enhance their effectiveness and efficiency. Tools like Retrium or Fun Retro can facilitate retrospectives and generate action items. These are some of the best practices for Agile in banking that can help you adopt and improve your Agile ways of working. This concludes our podcast on Agile adoption in banking. Thank you for listening. Abong Joe signing off. Stay tuned to next episode. Take care.